A summer cookout. A grill getting scrubbed clean before dinner. Nothing about this looks dangerous. Until you find out what's been hiding in the food. Over 1.7 million Cuisinart grill brushes have just been recalled. The reason? Their metal wire bristles can snap off, stick to the grill or the food, and end up swallowed. So, how does a kitchen cleaning tool end up causing injuries that need surgery? Let's look at 3 things. How these bristles go unnoticed, what happened to the people who swallowed them, and why this keeps happening. The brushes are designed with rows of thin metal wires to scrub baked-on residue off hot grates. But that same design lets individual bristles work loose over time. Once loose, a bristle is nearly invisible, resting on a grate or hidden inside a burger, with no way to see it coming. In one documented case, a child ate a burger at a backyard cookout. Days later, worsening throat pain led to a scan, which found a 2-centimeter metal wire lodged near the tonsils. The manufacturer has logged at least 54 reports of bristles detaching, including 3 confirmed cases requiring medical treatment. Experts suspect the real number is much higher. Throat pain days after a cookout rarely gets traced back to a grill brush. This isn't an isolated design flaw. Weber recalled 3.2 million wire grill brushes for the same hazard earlier this year. Nexgrill recalled over 10 million. The recalled brushes were sold at major retailers for over a decade, from 2009 through this year. The company is now offering refunds, plus 20%, and urging customers to throw the brushes away immediately. Some grill owners aren't waiting for the next recall. Many have already switched to brushless alternatives, coiled scrubbers or heavy-duty sponges, just to take the wire risk off the table entirely. Think about that for a second. A tool built to make your grill safer to cook on became one of the least visible hazards, sitting right on the grate. If this makes you want to go check your own grill brush right now, tap that like button. It genuinely helps more people catch this before their next cookout. And if you want more real, sourced cases like this, insurance, finance, consumer safety, and law, subscribe. A new true story lands every week. So before your next cookout, check your brush model, or just switch to something without wires at all. This video is for general informational purposes only. Sources are linked in the description below.